Thank you for coming to my channel. Subscribe, like, share, and comment. Come back for story times, food, reactions, reviews, and unboxings, and hauls, and all kinds of random stuff. A little ASMR. I'm gonna do a review on this Fruity Pebbles candy bar. I love Fruity Pebbles. I love Fruity Pebbles. Okay, let's stop it. Let's get this open. I love Fruity Pebbles cereal. Um, I'm assuming that's like white chocolate. Not necessarily though. I'm not sure. It's saying the white coating is sugar, milk powder. Let's see. I'm only getting a little small piece just in case I don't like it. Maybe somebody else will eat it. It's good. Tastes like white chocolate and Fruity Pebbles.